still coming off the hill? Anyone coming off Vatican Pass right now? Anyone coming off Vatican Pass right now? Alright, northbound, Vatican Pass, ×2. Alright, Tom, get into your pulling RPM.
Okay, so I'm at third at 1600 RPM.
Perfect. Alright, well, we'll just creep up like this, man. That's it. That's all we're gonna do. You just let me know if you stop or get lagged out, okay?
So this is my third, correct? Is this your same as your third?
Yeah, that was a joke. Getting a lot of ice buildup on your windshield wipers.
No.
Really? Just me? Fuck.
I got that visor that protected out of me.
I don't know if I got the right windshield wipers or what, but I got a ton of shit on them right now. Ice. Northbound, Vatican Pass. You can run it at 1750. RPM super high. Northbound, coming up the S-curve. Vatican Pass. you're at. Not just Atkin Pass, Atkin Pass, Atkin Pass. Just starting the S curve, in the S curve. Remember, I said the southbound lane is the good lane. You, as a leader, kind of stay in the middle. That's what I was saying about that corner, is you take it wide. You take it wide because of how the, mechanics work on pulling a trailer. Snowdrift, Tom. Who are you? Where are you at? To the waterfall. Looks like someone's coming down, Tom.
Copy.
Clear lane. Don't forget there's someone burnt out up here too in our lane, so keep an eye out. Are there northbounders coming up? Yes. Where are you guys at? I'm a southbounder. Almost to the waterfall, both of us. Almost to the waterfall. Copy that, I'm right by the waterfall. Copy that. I know, Tom, I'm right on you. Don't slow down. I'm stopped waiting for you guys south of the waterfall. Thank you, sir. It's gonna get a lot fucking worse by the time you get to the top. It's zero visibility at the top. Don't follow my tracks. I stayed too far to the southbound lane, ran through a big ass berm, nice and slow. Keep it a heads up, sir. You have a good one. I didn't see anyone coming up when we were going. Copy that. I didn't see anyone burned out coming down, but it is literally, it's maybe 1% visibility at the top. See that?
No, one burned out, no, about two. Okay, I made it to the top, but we got one burned out halfway between the waterfall and the top. Anybody copy? Adigan Pass, does anyone have a copy? I'm at the top Adigan Pass, anyone have a copy?
What's that?
We got one burned out halfway between the waterfall and the top of the pass.
Who's looking for a copy?
Yeah, do you copy? Anyone have a copy? Adigan Pass, anyone have a copy? Adigan Pass, anyone have a copy? Adigan Pass, anyone have a copy?